Alright, Dirty D, got your radio all tore down here. There's your channels here, them wires. There's your talk back. There's your variable power. So there's your variable power back here. There's your Tweety Bird here. It's a Tweety Bird button to oscillate it. Tweety Bird on and off. Well, this Tweety Bird button is broke. We need a new switch there. And that's your I'm not sure what that is. That is a looks like a tone. You can change your tone there, high and low tone on your receive only. Here's your bad knobs. I gotta try to see if I can find some replacements. These have a PC board attached to these. And then your extra channels are on these switches down here. It's your high and low switches. Channels would be on here. This is upper and lower sideband. AM. Alright, I just figured I'd give you a update there. This goes to your fan here. Computer fan. I was in here about 14 years ago. Alright, we'll get back with you. Peace.